So our dishwasher has been starting to look a little dirty, smell a little nasty. So we got this dishwasher cleaner. Each of them contains 6 packs in there. So they're pretty large. These things are bigger than standard dishwasher detergent thingies, pods, whatever's. So I'm going to try this thing out and see if it helps clean up our dishwasher. You're supposed to put this just in the normal spot there. If it doesn't fit there, you're supposed to put it down there. But ours looks like it should fit right there, so we're going to close this up. And then it says start a normal cycle, so just going to hit start. And we'll check back on when it's done. Alright, it's done now. We're going to open it up, check it out. Don't notice that smell anymore. That's a good thing. Right now it's hot, sanitized. I do see a piece of corn there, but maybe it really wasn't supposed to take care of the corn. More about cleaning all the surface of the walls, which look pretty good, and dealing with that smell, which, like I said, I don't smell. So definitely going to be using this again. It says that you should use it every month to maintain a fresh, clean dishwasher. So definitely going to be using this again. If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. Hey, my name's Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, we're on a quest to review literally everything.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.